And tomorrow is International Nurses Day, and that has a local mother-daughter duo sharing their experience in the field. In tonight's Health Beat, KELOLAND's Sophie Heineman is finding out how their family bond isn't limited to just each other, but also their patients.
Tammy Sasker is an acute dialysis nurse at Sanford Health. While she always knew she would go into the field, seeing her daughter follow in her footsteps makes her feel proud.
It's really hard to put into words, you know. For me, I knew I wanted to do healthcare my entire life. I have a grandma and aunts that were nurses. So when Tasha decided that's what she wanted to do, and to see her put her heart into a totally different area of nursing meant a lot.
I had no intentions of being a nurse originally, and then I watched my mom be passionate growing up with her patients and loving her job, and it pushed me to want to become a nurse, and now here I am.
Tasha Mortensen, an oncology nurse at Sanford, says she loves everything about being a nurse and is glad she chose the path, even in times like this.
It's nice to know that I have her to go to talk to about the pandemic and what's been going on at work, and we can kind of bounce ideas off each other if we need to. I just love having her to talk to about things that I need help with.
The family bond extends past just the two of them, though, as patients see less of their own family due to safety precautions in the hospital.
We're always there for our patients, but now that they're not allowed to have visitors, we become even more family to them and help support them as much as we can.
A second family that patients need now more than ever.
Caring for our patients that don't have those family members with them right now, they really need our support, and I'm glad that we can be there for them.
We're here to be that support for and be their family.
With HealthBeat, I'm Sophie Heineman.
If you have any nurses in your life, don't forget to send a thank you for their hard work they're all doing right now.